first of the month thing, January thing, but hopefully I can keep this up for the whole year. Later I'll be going shopping, grocery shopping for my new prep, and I'll bring you guys along. I just listened back to the audio, definitely can't hear anything. Anyway, I'm going out for a little shopping because I need to do some meal prep. Yeah, just gonna start from there. Flash. So my main goal for this meal prep is for me to eat regularly. Yeah, of course I'm gonna do it high protein as well, but yeah, my main problem is that I don't really eat, like, you know, on a schedule basis. So yeah, and I need to eat more. So yeah, I'm gonna do some preps so that I eat well and more. Prep and go. Let's go. Take one chicken. Potatoes, onion. Let's go. Interesting. You need potatoes. Steak. Don't need to choose steak. Steak. Alright. One last one. Yep. Alright, let's go. There we go. Alright, got the things that I needed, and it was pretty cheap. I think for 1 week worth of food it was only $55 with some bananas and some sweet potato and some cucumber as snacks. So yeah, not too bad. Gonna have these handmade noodles. This is one of my favorite. Mala. The soup. Oh no! Some big like you. Ooh. Best noodle. You have to come and try. It's in Sengkang. Hidden gem. To cook, basically I'm gonna turn this into 16 wraps and then keep it in the fridge and eat it for the next week. Boil some potatoes. eating
This
dinner.
is our dinner with chicken with a sexy toast. Are you even supposed to? You see?
这个水果谁买的？好像是我买的。这个是。
Okay. Sure, there's a lot of protein. Okay. How do I read this? Okay. Oh no, one potato came out.
Oh no.
Fail. Yay, finally. Alright, we have 8 wraps.
Red master.
Alright guys, that is it. It was really tiring. It took me around 2.5 hours to cook that, prepare that 8 wraps. So yeah, hopefully it's worth it. Yeah, hopefully I can get into, you know, habits of cooking and prepping meals, because I'm pretty sure it will be beneficial in the long run, but it is really tiring. Yeah, so far 2025, my fitness goal is going well after 2 weeks. So yeah, hopefully I can maintain this, like I said, for the whole year and see the results. Anyway, that is it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.